Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make zigzag line in Photoshop step by step. Apply two way. Create a new layer. Use pen tool or line tool. See this line tool. Example is rectangle tool. Smooth shape. Fill color. Example fill color black or red as you wish without stroke. Then press enter. Click anywhere, then draw a line. Again apply the same process. Choose color. Press enter. OK. Then click on the first line. Go to filter tab, distort and step on zigzag with rasterize. OK. And see this result. Zoom out. Amount 10 or 20. Reads. Points, ripples, out from center, around center, choose your style. OK. Click OK and apply step 2. Click again the black line, go to filter tab, distort and wow, rasterize. Number of generators. See this monitor. Triangle, square. Use custom number of generators. 5. Wavelength. Scale. And see this amplitude. Click OK. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.